Hello guys, it's me Despani. It's Halloween, and because my car has very angry eyebrows that I made myself with some duct tape, and I just bought 3 pairs of bloody footprints that I have on my hood. Only 2 pairs are left, but it's cool. And there really isn't much that I will do today. Maybe try to do some drifts, just drive around, maybe see some kiddos, give them a little rev. And though my car doesn't really sound that great anymore because of the resonator delete, but I have some eBay headers, catless headers, that I will put on someday. I don't know when. I don't have a lot of free time. I tried to do some skids, but one wheel wheel, like always, just one wheel wheel. I don't know how can I get it better. Maybe flick more or what? But just one wheel wheel. That it's like I'm just holding the car on the limiter for no reason. That's like kind of stupid, in my opinion. I can. Let's go here, maybe. I don't know if this is gonna be a video or not, because like usually nothing pretty much happens. I did try to do some donuts here earlier. They really didn't want to do it. Yep, just one wheel wheel, and I'm not gonna do that. I don't know if it's like too slippery or maybe the front tires have too much grip. That can also be a reason. Or not enough grip. There's 2 ways. Not enough grip or too much grip. But because it's going... No, it's sliding, so it needs more grip in the front. Right. I don't know, I'm lost. I put 17-inch, fuck, there's a car there. 17-inch wheels on here, and after that I just can't. Is that a Skoda? Okay, that might be a police, so I think we should get out of here quickly. I put 17-inch wheels on this, and it doesn't do skids anymore. I had 18-inch wheels, fucking wide at the back. Every small bump it was hitting my fender and stuff, and it did skids, and those were heavier wheels and whatnot. And then I have this 17-inch that just do nothing. This is also a great spot to do a skid. There's a car coming, it's kinda sad. I heard the airplane go past. That was that Volvo. And first gear is pretty pointless, as you saw. It just it gets grip and then it loses grip. Maybe I have too much pressure or not enough pressure. I don't know. That's a chip. Cool. can I make my car drift? Not like that. Please drive. Okay. Did I just run over a fucking cat? Did you guys fucking see that? That was fucking scary. But I'm not gonna stop. I mean, it didn't die. I didn't feel anything. Why did he stop? Hopefully it wasn't a cat. Hopefully it is alive. Whatever thing it is. Or was. Hopefully is. The fuck was that? That can also be a reason, right? Why is that on? Handbrake isn't on. That was yellow before, right? Before that thing that we won't talk about. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna full send. And let's check the car out. The front is looking alright. No, my footprints. There was footprints here. Can't show you guys. There was. Sure. Well, the tires are fucking warm now. Maybe it can do a burnout now. I will try. Did a burnout. I didn't hold it for quick, but it did one, so in second gear is maybe too much. I should have held it. That fucking roundabout should be there. It would have been so much easier. It would be good if there's a big ass place, like just a place where I can try donuts with second gear or whatever, just so I can like practice or something. Because you have to be full. That's what I'm talking about. I also don't have brakes. I don't have ABS. Second try. Maybe this time. The end was a little bit too much. Everything else was perfect. Do you guys hear that? The fuck? Is that some Halloween stuff or? Oh no! This shit is broken. Look at this. Damn it. Broken. Where the fuck did I get so much shit on my car? The fuck? The fuck? Don't die on me now. Something around there burned down, I remember. All of that chocolate smell is coming from there, maybe. It was some kind of bean factory, if I'm not wrong. I mean, chocolate is made of beans, right? So yeah. Jesus. Well, the people living around here have to deal with those sounds. Then they probably won't notice my ra-da-da-da-da skirt skirt brrr. Well, the limiter sounds like that's all. This thing is not as stable as you will think. Or I'm just stupid. Actually, this is nice. Just riding around. I haven't driven a scooter in I don't know how long. Maybe I should like do the jump here. Oh look, an animal. Let's go. Ah! I can't look behind me, so hopefully there's no... Jesus, don't scare me. Look, an animal is here. A bunny rabbit. Skis. I don't know where he went. It's got fucking signal lights and stuff. This thing actually looks good. I wanna try this thing too. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Jesus Christ. This thing actually feels very sketchy. Whoa. Jesus, this thing got some kick. Okay, there's a fucking... I'm turning left, turning right. Jesus, this thing got some kick. Or is it just Jesus? The brakes are so bad. What the fuck do people ride this? Well, my battery died. That's great. I actually don't see anything, right? Yeah, I didn't even think about that. You guys can't see anything, but yeah, my battery died, so it's... Well, not my battery died, my SD card is full, so it's time to go home. For now anyways. Maybe I'll see you guys someday again. Maybe not.